Hi, welcome back to our class. We are in the grade 10th mathematics class, and we were learning the topic of quadratic equations, and we are in the day 3. We are now right. In the previous classes, we have learned what is a quadratic equation, how it would be, and if the equations or the expressions, what if it is given that we need to check it out whether it's a quadratic equation or not, and also the quadratic equation which will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As well as in the last class, we have learned the questions from the second exercise. The questions, most of the application questions, we have seen that. Similarly, today also we are going to learn further more concepts. Just let us go back to the class. Fine. See, we have seen that already splitting milliterms as well as like some application oriented questions also, right? And next one, method of completing square method. Method of completing square method, which is not there in your text. It is there in your textbook, but it is deleted content from the textbook for the examination purpose. Now I'm going for another content. Quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? How to do? Look, if the quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if it is there, this is we call as a quadratic equation because the degree of this polynomial is 2, and moreover it is a defined under single variable. Then what you could say to learn to do this one, we are using the splitting middle terms concept. Similarly, to solve this one, we are using the concept of quadratic formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This concept we are using to solve the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us do one question on this. 2x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Just I'm giving you once again. 2x square minus 3x. Let us take it.
Yes, sir.
Let us take one simple one. I'll go. Then I can apply the concept, this quadratic formula. Then I can simplify that one. So first of all, I have to compare with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When I'm comparing, a value as 2, b value as minus 3, and c value as 1. A value as 2, b value as minus 3, and c value as 1. So if I'm taking this one, then I have to apply the concept, this quadratic formula method. So if I apply, then what I'll get it, x is equal to minus b. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus root over b square, which is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a for 2, c for 1, divide by 2 into a for 2. Then x is equal to minus or minus 3 plus or minus root over 9 minus 4 to the 8 divided by 4. So 3 plus or minus root over 9 minus 8, 1 divided by 4. Then x is equal to, so what you can write it? 3 plus 1 by 4, one case. Another case, 3 minus 1 by 4. So then x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 4, which is 1. Another case, 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So what are the values of x when you solve it? X value is equal to 1 or 1 by 2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is like what is it? A quadratic formula method. So using this quadratic formula method, we can solve any type of equations. any type of equations if the roots are existed. If the roots are existed. Now I'm going back to the content. Okay. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of computing square method. We don't have the computing square method, but we are going to use the quadratic formula method. See, the question actually when you are doing this one, they said it if they exist. The word is if they exist. If they exist, if they do not exist, how do we know that? So that we need to check it out. That is only called so if they exist. Say that's we need to find out. Okay. Now let me go for that one. See, for every equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 we have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 we have. Now we need to find out, we need to check it out whether the roots are existent or not. If you want to check it out, we are going to find discriminant. Discriminant. The discriminant that is called delta, delta or d. That is called b square minus 4ac. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac, how do you need to check it out? B square minus 4ac, we have to check it out. If you are checking that one, we need to know that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, greater than 0. Okay, first, number one, b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0. Second case, b square minus 4ac, which is greater than 0. Third case, b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. Okay, if b square minus 4ac value, it means the discriminant is less than 0. So what you could say, roots are no real roots. No real roots. Then b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So what you could say, real and distinct roots. The next one, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then what you could say, real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. Correct? Now, what we are talking, if they exist. The small
Yes, sir.
word will be there. If they exist. So we need to check it out. If they exist, it means we have to check it out the discriminant value. If the discriminant is less than 0, no real roots, then you can say directly no real roots are existed. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if these two are possible, then you have to continue or you have to proceed further. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the questions from the textbook. What is said? Question number 2. Question number 1 is not there, but question number 2, if you see that, what is trying to say? Find the roots of the given quadratic equation from the question number 1
मम्मी
above.
नहीं तो लेगा नहीं वो वापस.
Yes, Vaibhav, please.
Yes, sir.
Please put in silent. So we want to find the roots of this one using quadratic formula. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to do it on the whiteboard. X square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now what we should do? We have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to check it out. What is a value? Which is 2. B value minus 7. C value which is 3. Now we have to take the quadratic formula. Before applying the quadratic formula, then we have to check the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 7 whole square minus 4 into A for 2, C for 3. So 7 square 49, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 49 minus 24, 25. 25 is greater than 0. See, we discussed on that top. If it is less than 0, we can stop it. No real roots, we can write it directly. Is greater than 0 or is equal to 0, we can continue further. Now it is greater than 0, so we can continue further. Now we have to find the roots using the quadratic formula. So the formula
Yes,
is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then minus b, minus of minus 7 plus or minus root 25 by 2 into a for 2. Then what you can write? Minus of minus 7, 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 4. Are you understanding?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then so what you could write it? 7 plus 5. It is 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So 7 plus 5, 12 by 4, which is 3, or 7 minus 5, 2, 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So what you could say? 3 or 1 by 2. Got it? The roots are real roots, which are 3 or 1 by 2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second question. We'll go for the second question, which is there. Okay. Can you do this one, second one? First, please check it out. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Compare, please. What is a value? What is b value? What is c value? Can discriminant, what is that? Vaibhav, what is the discriminant?
Yes, sir.
What is the discriminant value?
Sir, 1 square minus 4, 2 and 4.
What is the value?
1,
4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32.
32. Yes, sir.
32, what is the answer? Minus
Sir,
31, right?
minus 31.
Less than
Or
0, right?
yes, sir.
So what should write? No real roots are existed.
No real roots. Yes, sir.
That's all. They will give that. If it is 2 mark, 2 mark they'll give. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So far, 3 lessons I completed, right? In that, you are thorough, right? All the content. Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Now, again, for this also, what is a value?
Sir, 4.
Okay, b value,
4 root 3.
c value.
3.
Okay, can you check the discriminant, please?
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 3 upon 2.
No, my question is discriminant value. What is the discriminant value here? First, you do this one first. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What is the discriminant? It's 0, right?
Yes, sir. It's good. 0.
So, what can you combine the roots? What are the roots? Roots are real and equal.
Yes, sir.
Roots are real and equal, right? Then x is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to what you can write it? Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a
Yes, sir. 2.
minus b plus or minus b stands for here 4 root 3. Let us write b value as 4 root 3
4 root 3.
plus or
Yes,
minus
sir.
by 2 into 4.
Yes, sir.
So what will get the answer? Minus 4 root 3 by 2 4s are 8. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are. So the answer is
3 root 2.
root 3 by 2.
Minus 3 root 2.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you compare with ax square plus bx plus c?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, A is 2, B is 1, C is 4.
A is 2, B is 1, C is 4. Okay, what is the discriminant? D is equal to
Sir, 2 plus, sir, 2 plus or minus under root.
no. First of all, we have to check the discriminant.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's equal to 0.
1 minus 32.
1 minus 32.
So
Minus
1
31.
minus 31 less than 0.
Yes, sir. No real roots.
No real roots. Roots are existed. People will say no real roots are not existed. Roots are there, but no real roots. That's all. Are you clear, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go for the next. Okay. Now find the roots of the following equations. So then find that this one, what you could say, x minus 1 by x equal to 3. So first of all, do the LCM. X into x square minus 1, which is equal to 3. Then what you could say, x square minus 1, which is equal to 3x. Am I right, ma? Then x
Yes,
is
sir.
minus 3x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So then compare with ax square, compare with plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the a value? What is the a value, ma? 1. B value
3.
minus c value minus 1. Check for discriminant. Discriminant formula b.
Minus 1.
Check the value.
Sir, 3 minus.
So 9
3
minus
is.
plus 4.
Sir, 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 9.
13 greater than 0.
Oh, yes, sir.
So roots are existed, right?
Yes, sir.
What type of roots? Real and distinct roots. Real and
Sir,
distinct.
real distinct. Yes, sir.
Real and distinct roots will be there. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is minus b? Minus of minus 3 plus or minus root over 13 by 2 into a for 1. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
And x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2, right? One root is 3 plus root 3 by 13 by 2. Another root 3 minus root 13 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So next question. See here, if you are going to write any competitive exams, this will be useful. This given data will not be valid at certain values. What are the certain values? One is minus 4 and plus 7. See why? See, when you are writing the fractions, 1 by x plus 4, every fraction cannot be defined at some value. So which value? So that value is, we have to remove from its domain values. See here, x plus 4, 1 by x plus 4, it is not defined. Where if x plus 4 is equal to 0, it is not defined. Why? Whenever you are writing the fraction p by q, always we used to write where q not equal to 0, we will write it.
Yes, sir.
If q is equal to 0, then the fraction something by 0 is not defined. So that's why x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then if x equal to minus 4, the given fraction cannot be defined. That's why where x value not equal to minus 4 and 7. Okay, why? Why we should consider this one? See, one thing, we will write it where the values are defined, where the values are not defined. But one more thing you have to remember, when you are solving this one, you will get some answer. In that answer, suppose minus 4 and 7 both are there. You have to neglect minus 4 and 7, then only the balance is the answer. Otherwise, if you write including this is your answer, then your answer is wrong. So compulsory, you have to include this one. Now, coming to this one, see, first of all, we'll go for LCM. See, the LCM, x plus 4 into x minus 7. So these are like two different terms. So product will be the LCM. Then here, x minus 7 minus x plus 4, which is equal to 11 by 30. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then open the bracket, x cancel. So when it's x cancel, then it will become minus 7 minus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7, which is equal to plus 11 by 30. So minus 11 by x plus 4 into x minus 7, which is equal to 11 by 30. 11 cancel. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then 30 you carry this. So which will be minus 30 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
Open the brackets. This side. So when you multiply, open a bracket, x into x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28, which is equal to minus 30. So then what you can write it? X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So now we are learning quadratic formula. So compulsory use a quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a value is 1, b value as minus 3, c value as 2. Then x is equal to another formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. First of all, we need to check for b square minus 4ac compulsory. So b square discriminant. So is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1. 9 minus 8, 1, 1 greater than 0. So roots are existed. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then please can you do and tell me the answer? Is it correct, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
So we are in the track, right? You are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the method we are doing? What is the method, ma? Vaibhav, we are doing?
Discussing matter.
Quadratic formula method.
Yes, sir.
We are doing quadratic formula method. So quadratic formula, compulsory, we have to check that discriminant p square minus 4ac, whether it is less than 0 or not. If it is
Yes,
less
sir.
than 0, if it is less than 0, then directly we can write it, no real roots are existed. If it is greater than 0 and is equal to 0, then we can proceed further, right? 1 second,
Yes,
please.
sir.
So 1 second, ma, it is not responding. Right. So next question. Say the sum of the reciprocals of this one. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find its present age. Find its present age. So we have to take this question. Can you do now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it. Okay, anyhow, I'm copying this question there. I'll help you. Okay, Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So at first of all, I'm going to take Rahman age. I'll take it present, past, future. So at first of all, I have to take it as x years. Then x minus 3 years. Then x plus 5 years. See, the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age is 3 years ago. 3 years ago. This is 3 years ago. 5 years from now. 5 years hence now. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So given that, what is given? The reciprocals. Reciprocals in a sense, 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x plus 5.
X
Right?
minus. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then is a difference or sum?
Sir, sum of reciprocal of Rehan's age.
Okay. Sum in the sense, no problem. 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x plus 5,
X minus 5.
which is equal to 1 by 3. We will write it. If they say difference in these two fractions, which fraction is a big one? If they say difference,
Sir, in difference, sir, 1 minus x minus 3.
which is big? X minus 3 is big.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why it is big? You said it is big. So you have certain criteria in your mind. Because of this so and so, it is the reason. So no, it is a reason. This is the okay. Remember, whenever it is subtracted value, the fraction, the value will be increases, automatically will increases. When is addition, the value will be decreases. So when they say difference, this what you said, this is highest one, this is the least one. Okay, that is now we are not taking. We are going to take the summation. So can you tell me what is the LCM of these two? X minus 3 into x plus 5. Am I right, ma? Am I right, ma? Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. X plus 5 and here x minus 3. Then what you can write it? X 2x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. Am I right, ma? So then multiply, cross multiply 3 into 2x, 6x plus 6, which is equal to this x minus 3 into x plus 5. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then 6x plus 6, then which is equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Then what you can write it? X square. This also carry other side. So 5x minus 3x, and when you carry minus 6x, so minus 4x. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Minus 21 is equal to 0. Can you do the quadratic formula and tell me the value of this one?
Yes, sir.
What you got it?
Sir, 7 and minus 3.
So x equal to 7
X is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3.
minus 3. So which is answer? Which is answer? 7 or minus 3?
Sir, 7.
Why minus 3 cannot be taken?
Sir, because we don't say that my age is minus 3. We can't take an age as my in negative.
Vaibhav, you should keep in mind when you're writing the answer in a board exam, minus 3 neglected. You please write there. Why minus 3 is neglected? Because age cannot be negative.
Yes, sir. I have said that.
No, you are saying that one, okay. But you are supposed to write in the exam. If you write for this,
Okay, sir.
half mark impression.
Yes, sir.
So you are supposed to write it. Now, actually, what is the question now? What is the question? Rahman's present age. So, what is present age? X, right? What do you got X value now? 7.
7. Yes, sir.
At last, you are supposed to write Rahman's present age is 7 years. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, I'm going for next question. So you can do right like these models,
Yes, sir.
right? Then seventh question I'm skipping because that is simple. You can do seventh one. Then I'm going for the next one. One question I will do. One question I'll ask you to do as a homework. Is it okay? Then the rapport will be maintained. Otherwise, if I'm going to do everything, what happens? I'm only thinking. Then your thinking will be out. Okay, fine. Now I'm taking the question number 5.
Yes, sir.
So in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30.
Yes, sir.
So in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So what we will take it? Let us take, let the marks in mathematics? Is equal to X. Then English marks. What is English marks?
X
30.
plus 2.
Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? Actually, what is the criteria here? What is the criteria here? What is the criteria here? What is happening? 2 marks more in maths.
2 marks more. Yes, sir.
X plus 2.
X plus
3 marks less in English.
X minus 3.
30 minus X minus 3. Then X plus 2 as this, but this is 27 minus X. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
What is it? The product of the new marks. So, which is X plus 2 into 27 minus X, which is equal to 210. Now open the bracket. X into 27, 27X. X into X, X square. 2 into 27, 54 minus 2X, which is equal to 210. Am I right, ma? And 54
Yes, sir.
minus, so 54 plus 25X minus X square, which is equal to 210. Then a carry. Then what happens? X square minus 25X. Then 210 minus 54. What will be happen? 156, right? Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So when you simplify, what you'll get? X value 12 or 13. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 12 or 13. So actually, what is the question now? Find the marks in 2 subjects. So find the marks in 2 subjects. Then, if you take 12, this is what you have taken: mathematics marks, maths marks. In maths,
Yes, sir.
in English. In English, what do you say? How much? 30 minus X, right?
30 minus X. 27X.
18. If it is 13, 27. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is that there are 2 pairs possibility, right? 12 and 18,
Yes,
13
sir.
and 27. Now, which is the correct answer? Both are correct answers. Then if one is single answer, correct answer. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
So, which is correct answer? 12, 18 or 13, 7, 13, 17, which is correct answer?
Sir, both we can take.
Okay, let us do X plus 2. X plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Then 27 minus 12. How much? 15, right? Find the product. Is it 210? What happened? Is it 210? Find the product. Is it 210? Similarly, this is 13 plus 13 plus 2, 15. Then 27 minus 13, which is 14. This result also 210, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what I could say, find our marks in 2 subjects. 14 and 15 or 15 and 14. Actually. So 12, actually the marks is 12, 18 or 13, 17. Got it? So what is our answer? 14, 15 or 12, 18, 13, 17. Which is the answer?
Sir, 14, 15.
No. 12 and 18 is answer.
Yes, sir.
This is after that. This is after that. At first itself, this is marked. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more question. Okay, then the diagonal of this one, I'll take it, this question. So the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than shortest side. The diagonal. Okay, let us take this one. This is diagonal. So now, what is it? 60 meters more than the shortest side. So let us take shortest side is x. Then diagonal will be x plus 60 or 60 plus x.
60 plus 6.
X plus 60. For x, we are adding 60. X plus 60. It is not 60 plus x. But both the meanings, sir, x plus 60, 60 plus x, both are same as yes, both are same, but the meaning is different. For x, 60 is added. Okay. And if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So what is this? X plus 30, right? Right, ma? So what is the relation between them? So please write the shortest side. Shortest side is equal to x meters. Okay. Then long diagonal which is equal to x plus 60. Longest side x plus 30. What is the concept we could apply here? Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
What is the concept we could apply here? We could apply the concept of right angle triangle. So because in a right angle triangle, sorry, in a rectangle, definitely each angle is 90 degrees. So then what you can write it? X plus 60 whole square, which is equal to x square plus x plus 30 whole square. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then x plus 60 whole square. What you can write? X square plus 120x plus 3600, which is equal to x square plus x square plus 60x plus 900. Correct? Both sides 1x square cancel. Then what you could write it? 0. Means I'm carrying this all the terms to other side. Then x square 60 minus 120 minus 60. 900 minus 3600 minus 2700. Got it, ma? Then the equation x square minus 60x minus 2700, which is equal to 0. Do you understand? Do you understand? Right. Now what we can do? Splitting million terms or completing square method, sorry, quadratic formula method, if you apply the roots, actually I'm going for now splitting million terms. If I apply, then I'll get it x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700, which is equal to 0. Then here x you take it to common, x into x minus 90. Then here 30 you take it out common, 30 into x minus 90, which is equal to 0. Then what you could say, x minus 90 into x plus 30, which is equal to 0. Then by comparison is equal to 0, then I'll get it x equal to 90 or minus 30. This is neglected. See why? Because The side of the rectangle is not, cannot be taken as negative. Please write. You have to write side of the rectangle or side of the polygon cannot be negative. Okay, then x equal to 90. Now what is asking now? Find the sides. Find the sides. So one is 90. Okay, so one is 90. So one side is 90. Another side. Vaibhav, are you understanding? 90 plus 30, 120 meters. And diagonal, which is 90 plus 60, 150 meters. Do you understand, Vaibhav? Are you there in the line?
Yes, sir.
Right? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So no doubt in this, right?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Look, as I said you, the difference of two numbers, you can take it as a homework. And I'll teach you question number 8 or 10 because both are same. Anyhow, we have learned this 8 or 10, both are the models. So I'll teach you 10th one, then 8th one you take it as a homework, and 9th, 10th, and 11th also we have done it last time. So 11th also you take it as homework. 9 and 10 I'm taking now.
Yes, sir.
What I said, 2 water tanks together can fill a tank in 90 by 8 hours. Okay, 2 water tanks. So let us take one tank. Now through this tap, through the pipe, water is flowing out, flowing inside. Okay, they will fill the tank in 93 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter, say larger diameter. So let's suppose this is a bigger tap, larger diameter, takes 10 hours less than smaller one to fill the tank separately. If they are assigned the job to the tap separately, the larger tap, that means larger diameter, will take less time because big pipe work less, small pipe work more and time more. Find the time in which each tap can fill the separate tanks. Okay, now can you help me? Can you help me, Vaibhav?
Yes,
Vaibhav,
sir.
can you help me?
Yes.
Yes, come on, help me. Come on, Vaibhav, how to do this question?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, can we take the smaller tap to fill the tank completely X hours?
Yes, we have to take it.
So we will take a smaller tap X to fill the let the time taken by the tap to fill the tank completely is equal to X hours.
So let the time taken by the smaller pipe, you are saying that one X hours, right?
X hours. Volume of the tap by small tap in 1 hour, 1 by X.
Smaller pipe will take X hours, right?
Yes, sir.
X hours. Okay. Now this is in X hours, it will fill the tank. So in 1 hour, in
1
1
by
hour,
x.
how much it will be work?
1 by x.
How much it will do? Okay, it will do the job. It is 1 by x
X.
work it will do. So then similarly, larger pipe it will take x plus 10 or x minus 10.
X minus 10.
X minus 10. Then within 1 hour, it also how much it will do?
1 by x minus 10.
1 by x minus 10. Now what is it? They will fill the tank 9 3 by 8 hours. So they will fill the tank together 9 3 by 8 hours. They will take it. So 8 9 is 72. Then 75 by 8. Got it, ma? So
Yes, sir.
then I can write it 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10, which is equal to 75 by 8. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So Viber, we have to identify the mistake. What you have done it here. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why it is wrong? I'll tell you. See, I've seen the people, most probably they will take 75 by 8. It is wrong. That you should not take like that. See
Sir,
here,
why?
wait, I'll tell you. This is the time taken by the both the taps to work. It means to fill that, they will take totally 75 by 8 hours. Am I right? But this we are considering within 1 hour, right? So within 1 hour,
Yes, sir.
how much they will do the work? 8 by 75, right?
Yes, sir.
Now here also this is 1 hour. This is also 1 hour. Then we have to take 8 by 75 only. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you take 75 by 8, this is 75 by 8. It stands for total time. Total full time. But here
Okay, sir.
8 by 75 is only for 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
So what is the LCM? LCM is x into x minus 10. And x minus 10 plus x, which is equal to 8 by 75. Then
Yes,
75
sir.
into x plus x, 2x minus 10, which is equal to 8 into x minus 10. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So open the bracket. It is 150x minus 750, which is equal to multiply 8x square minus 80x.
88x.
So then what will get it? 8x square minus 80 minus 150 minus 230
Minus 750.
plus 750.
Plus 750. Yes, sir.
We are carrying that totally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Can you tell me the roots? What could be possible using the quadratic formula or normally your wish?
Sir, A is equal to 8.
Okay.
B is equal to minus 230. And C is equal to 750.
Okay, do it. You do that way. Otherwise, you do the splitting middle terms.
Yes, sir.
So splitting middle terms 8 into 750,
Sir,
6,000.
D is equal to 28900.
6,000.
Um,
I'm doing splitting middle terms. So 8x square, 6,000. I'm writing 200x minus 30x plus 750. Am I right, man?
yes, sir.
So in this both, what is common?
Sir, X.
8x.
8x.
X minus 25. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In this both, what is common? Minus 30. If you take it out, x minus 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what you can write it? X minus 25 into 8x minus 30. Am I right, ma? Then x
Yes,
is
sir.
25 or x equal to 30 by 8.
Yes, sir.
See, 30 by 8 means how much? 7.5 hours. Am I right, ma? So now my question is that, is this both the values are constant, any one value only constant?
Yes, sir.
Which value will be constant? Both the values
Sir,
will,
x is equal to 25.
why not 7.5? Why not 7.5? Look, say x equal to 25 is correct. Then x equal to 7.5. Another pipe will take x minus 10, right? So when you take it 7.5 minus 10 is, what will get it? Minus 2.5.
Sir, minus 2.5.
How do you
Sir,
see
minus
that?
we can't take in a negative
So
form.
that's the reason we will say x equal 25. This is for smaller pipe. And
Yes,
larger
sir.
pipe will take 15 hours. Am I right?
25. Yes, sir.
So have you understood why this is neglected?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Next, one more question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. So to travel 132 kilometers. So the distance total between two stations, Mysore and Bangalore, 132 kilometers. Without taking into consideration the time they stop intermediate stations. If the average speed of that express train is 11 kilometers more than that passenger train. So where to start? How to start? The speed of passenger train. You will take it x kilometer per hour. Got it, ma? Then speed of express train. What do you write it? X plus 11. Am I right, ma? Now distance is how much?
Yes, sir.
What is distance? How much distance? 132 kilometers. So they are taking 1 hour less. So time taken by the passenger time T1 is equal to, you will write it 132 by x. Time taken by the express train, we will take it 132 by x plus 11. Difference is 1 hour. Now, how to take it? Total time is equal to time T1 minus T2 or T2 minus T1. I don't know. If you tell only, I'll do.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which one first I have to take. Which fraction I have to take it first?
Sir, 30. Sir, T1.
132 by x is big, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you take it 132 by x, second fraction will be small. So right, 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11, which is equal to 1 hour. Am I right? So what is LCM now? X into x plus 11. Am I right, ma? So it will be 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x, which is equal to 1. Am I right, ma? So when you open the bracket, 132x, 132x, this will cancel. Then 132 into 11. How much 132 into 11?
Yes, sir.
How much 132 into 11? 1452, which is equal to x square plus 11x. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. So if you do the factorization, so what could be the factors? Most probably here only 132 into 11, here only will become. So we are going to take it as 44x minus 33x minus 1452. Now in this both, what is common? X, right? In this both, what is common, ma? Minus 32, right? X plus 44. So overall, what you can write? X plus 44 into x minus 33, which is equal to 0, right? Then x equal to minus 44 and or 33, which is correct answer? Minus 44 or 33? Vaibhav? Minus 44 or 33? 33 is the right answer. Minus 44.
sir.
We cannot take. Why?
Sir, we can't. Sir, it is accepted by default.
So that is a angle. Sorry, that is a velocity, average speed. So speed cannot be negative. So
Yes,
minus
sir.
44. Speed cannot be negative. The acceleration will be negative. Speed cannot be negative. So minus 44. So cannot be taken because the speed cannot be negative. So the speed of the passenger train is 33 and the speed of express train is 33 plus 11, 44. Got it? This is 33. This is 33 plus 11, 44. Got it, ma? Got it, children? Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
So these questions we completed, right? So next, nature of the roots also we have completed. What is that? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 is that concept? See, we have completed this one. We have
Yes,
completed
sir.
this also. But next class, I'll give you a little content on this. Then I'll go for the next lesson, arithmetic progressions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with this content, I'm going to close today's session. So today, what we have learned, the questions relevant to the third exercise, and which we learned the quadratic formula. And also we have learned some of the questions which are nature of the roots. And if it is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, less than 0, is equal to 0, then only based on the only we are going for quadratic formula. If it is less than 0, roots are
Yes, sir.
no real roots. Greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Is equal to 0, roots are real and
Yes.
equal. Okay. Based on this concept, then we are
Yes, sir.
checking whether that quadratic formula is applicable or not. Okay. Thank you. With this question, I'm going to close today's session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.